I want to make this into something which is really conversational, really engaging. I want your ideas. There's no agenda for this next 45 minutes apart from the word cloud. This is people who are already leading in their own way, emerging leaders, and that's the way you should look at it. It's a much better definition. And let me tell you that even though I'm sitting here and you've given us all a round of applause, yes, I am moderating this, but I'm hoping that all I'm going to be is a nudge. What are the variables that are coming down the track? Can we identify? Are they unpalatable? Are they unthinkables? Are they clear on the radar screens of all of you gathered here? And as we heard from Mubadala yesterday, we must step back and reset the issues. He said at the launch of Working Group 3, many governments and many corporates are lying. His word, very undiplomatic, are lying when it comes to commitments on green. So that is the framing for our guests. And why are we failing on fairness and equity, given what we've been talking about for decades now?
Greed. Greed. The rich want to keep most of what they have and they want to share. It's greed.
We're going to do this with the emerging leaders and then have a pick-up on what we were doing 2 days ago, which was trying to hear from you the kind of things that you're taking away from this.